Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to look for the network on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. 4G network generally provide faster internet speeds compared to older network technologies like 3G or 2G. And then by locking your device to a 4G network, you can take advantage of the higher data transfer rate. Then how to do that on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you have to install a radio info application on the App Store. Okay, after that, here you can open it like this. Okay, and then to look for the network on your device, you can tap the down arrow here. Well, and then you can choose LTE only. However, the consequence of activating this feature is your device may not be able to receive or make calls or message. So you can confirm its functionality after activating the feature. But however, you will still be able to perform call operations when you return it to this unidial mode. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to log 4G network on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.